Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this mozzarella and ricotta cheese making kit that we got because we love making cheese and we especially like mozzarella. So just wanted to get this and try it, but kind of show you what's in the contents here. But here's obviously the box that it comes in. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So as you open it up, here's what's in there. So it looks like you've got a thermometer here. Go ahead and take everything else out. So this is your citric acid packet there. And then here's your cheese salt packet here. And then right here is your instruction kit that you can read through to learn how to make the cheeses. So that's pretty cool. And then right here you've got your butter and muslin to use to drain the cheese. So probably the mozzarella, since it's so moist after you make it, and obviously ricotta is pretty moist too. So you've also got these tablets right here. These are I believe rennet tablets. So it looks like you've got 5 of them to help you make your cheese. But that's pretty much it. Look forward to using this, and we'll see how it turns out.